This relationship is probably the most important thing in my life.
Okay, roll camera, roll sound. Ready and action.
In this film, the heart of it, these three friends are forged in this great arena of war, and the tragedy in that make a pact that they will always look out for each other no matter what.
As a writer, I get to tell that story of the love of these people who dare to live in spite of all the obstacles.
Do you like that bit if I go and say that thing or no?
So Christian has a tremendous magic and commitment. He embraces a voice, he embraces a posture. I mean, he's a master at creating what he does.
How are we looking? Good.
Seeing the transformation of Christian Bale, obviously it's what he does. This is his calling card. He just disappears. In fact, I don't think I met him, Christian Bale, until we wrapped.
Okay, roll camera, roll sound.
Now that the war is over, I just want to be a person. You know, I just want to walk around free.
John David Washington, he was so fun to act with. Very funny, very smart. He was like my rock. So sweet, so humble. It was really special working with him. It was so fun.
And when you get him to laugh, you get him to be warm and in love, it's like the sun comes out.
I was first going through France a couple of years ago. I had to stab a guy. I had to hit a lady with a brick one time.
What?
Margot is many of the things that are in her character. Independent and brave. She knows life is for love.
Getting to know Margot and seeing what she brought to the character. The set every day. It felt like All-Star Weekend, I imagine. I'm in an All-Star game. I'm just sitting back and watching these masters go.
These are all characters that had so much fun creating, played by the greatest actors in the world.
All right, that's a cut on that.